Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Ram 1500. With just over 25,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup stands out from the crowd, boasting a diverse range of features and remarkable value. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like power windows, mirrors and seats, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.